So next we have to do is we are going to make update to multiple contacts. So we are going to just copy this particular method. We'll just first here we'll just copy this particular method and paste it here, and instead of add just rename it to update. So there's nothing much to do in the contact service. Go to the main scene now and copy this method. And just paste it at the bottom. It looks like it didn't copy properly. So we'll paste it here and we'll have it as on update contacts button, as we are updating multiple buttons or multiple contacts. Now make sure you add the ID. So like for Tom Perez, we are going to move Tom, like we are going to name all, like change the surname of everyone. Okay, let's do that. So I'm going to name the change the surname to Jaswal for everyone. Okay, so now another thing is, like this is not more than enough. We need to check in the database the IDs. So Tom is 3. Make sure the ID is there, otherwise it will not work out. So Tom is 3, Fred is 4, and we'll make a change to John Jackson. We'll just remove these ones and we'll make one more change for now. John Jackson is basically 8, so we'll name it as John Jaswal. So these are basically the 3 contacts which we are going to update. Save it, go to the Unity editor, stop the application, duplicate it, and then we'll just it's update contacts. Change the button also. So now it is saved. On update contacts button. So we have now the update contacts button here. Refresh the database to see like what is the current state of the data. Now go and run this app. If there is no compilation error, it should be running. So it is running. Now click on update contacts. 3 items have been changed. Go to the database and refresh it. See, the surname should be changed. So okay, what has happened here is we have not changed this particular, we are calling add contacts instead of update contacts. So let us make that change. That's why instead of updating, it has added. So that is why 3 items have been added instead of updating. let us now save it. Again go back and make the stop the application and run it again. This time it should change these three items. These items we can't means you can actually remove them right now if you want from the database itself. So delete the record, and I have deleted it. So now let us run this application and click on update contacts. SQLite exception. So okay, it's because I deleted it from here. I need to basically we need to close the database once and then save changes, yes, and then just open it once more. If I open it once more, yeah, now we can this error has come because it was accessible from the DB browser and we made some changes which were not basically submitted. So I'll just run this application once more and then try to update contacts. So let us see what has happened. See, 3 values have got changed. So, and the surname, I have changed the surname for Tom, Fred and John as expected. So it was done as what we were trying to do. So this way, like, you have basically done some good amount of operations on the SQLite database. In fact, you can utilize this particular class and reuse it for your own purpose, and you can follow this structure of making a call to DB and then have this whole connectivity code inside a separate class, and then have for each and every table you can have a service class out like this and utilize it from wherever you want. So this is the way you can use the SQLite plugin for your handling of SQLite databases. So that's all from my side in this particular session. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, keep rocking and happy coding.